Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious fish tacos, perfect for an easy weeknight dinner. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn on your notification bell, that way you never miss a new video. Let's get started. Alright you guys, we're going to start by seasoning the fish. And today I'm using cod, but you can use your favorite fish. I think tilapia or salmon would work really well. I'm going to season my fish with some smoked paprika, chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box for you guys. Season your fish on both sides with your spices, then drizzle some olive oil all over them. Once your fish is seasoned, you can either bake them or cook them in a pan. I'm going to bake mine in the oven. This is the oven I'm using today. It was sent to me by F.BLUMLEIN. I partnered with them in today's video. I'm using their steam convection oven. It cooks food really well. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box together with a coupon code. The oven has 10 amazing functions, including steam, grill, convection, and a combination function. I'm using the convection oven function to bake the fish at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. I'll talk more about the functions of this oven later in the video. So while the fish is baking, we're going to put together a simple coleslaw topping for the tacos. Place some shredded coleslaw mix into a large bowl. Next, I'm going to roughly chop some cilantro and add to my shredded cabbage mix. You can use parsley if you don't like cilantro. We're also going to dice one jalapeno pepper. Make sure you cut it up and take out the seeds because those can be very spicy. Drizzle some olive oil over your vegetables. Then we're going to add the juice from one lime. Next, we're going to add a little bit of honey, then season with salt and pepper. Go ahead and mix everything in. Then you're going to cover this up and place it in the fridge for 15 minutes. That way, the veggies can soak in all the seasonings. Meanwhile, we're going to pan grill some corn tortilla. I'm placing a few onto my pan heated over medium-high heat and grill them for about a minute on each side until they turn golden brown. Once they turn golden brown, you're going to set them aside for later. By this time, your fish should be done baking. It has a beautiful golden brown color, and I really love the fact that the oven uses steam to cook food, so your food retains moisture and doesn't dry out. I'm going to use 2 forks to break apart the fish, then we're going to serve the tacos. Place your grilled tortilla onto a board and top them with the baked fish. I also like to add some avocados and tomatoes onto my tacos. Top them with the coleslaw we made earlier. Next, I like to drizzle some ranch dressing over them. You can use your favorite salad dressing, and these are ready to be enjoyed. Before I enjoy these, I like to squeeze some lime juice over them. This is such a great healthy lunch or dinner recipe. It's so easy to make and really delicious. Alright, now that we're done with the fish tacos, I'm going to show you how I make frozen pizza with the F.BLUMLEIN oven. I'm placing the frozen pizza into the oven. This time, I'm using the combination function. I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees, then I'm going to bake the pizza for 20 minutes. So the combination function uses high steam to cook the food in order to prevent dryness. It also uses the upper and lower heating and the convection all at the same time, so your food comes out cooked all the way through, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. And the combination function of the oven is suitable for cooking all types of food. I'm gonna leave all details about this oven in the description box together with a coupon code. If you guys would like to make all the recipes I made today, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!